Hello there. This is a Schrade scrimshaw, although it doesn't have any scrimshaw on it. I got this knife, I bought it cheap at a flea market and restored it, but I tried restoring the scrimshaw on it and I got it almost good, but I never was satisfied with it, so basically I just removed all the scrimshaw that was mostly worn anyway and took it down to this white um, it's not Delrin. I forget the name of the material that. Yeah, it's Delrin, I believe. That Schrade uses. But this is a scrimshaw. It used to have a scrimshaw pattern on it, but this is a jackknife. One of the reasons that I love this knife is it's a jackknife. It opens up, it's got one blade, it's a nice long blade, and it's got a liner lock on it. And I absolutely love this blade. And this blade is just kind of dull, not quite. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it on this soft Arkansas, and I'm not even going to raise a burr. By the way, look at that beautiful stone. But I'm not going to even raise a burr. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to use light back and forth pull. It needs a little bit more oil. His friend Lester won't mind. But I mean, dude. Gorgeous. So all I'm going to do is this right here. And I don't need anything else but this soft Arkansas for this blade. I don't do normally anything but this soft Arkansas. No more refinement. Just the soft arc. This is a fantastic small game hunting knife. I could gut a deer with this knife. So when I say small game, it's not really relegated to that, but for like a squirrel or rabbit, it makes a fantastic skinning knife. This might not be a very long video at all, because this blade really doesn't need very much. And you don't have to do that's almost there. You don't have to do the back and forth pulls. You don't have to do the single pulls, raise a burr, or anything like that. You can sharpen a knife, any knife, in any condition pretty much, just like this. The other techniques are used a lot of times because they're a little bit faster, but also because if I have a chip or something in the blade, just this right here would take forever. And so I'm going to use more aggressive measures and a much more aggressive stone than this to take care of that. And then I might move to this or something similar to it to sharpen the blade out and finish it. It's not an issue. It's just how much you want to spend, how much time you want to spend, and a lot of times what it comes down to is the shape that the knife is in. The edge on that knife is in, and this knife, the edge on this knife is not really in too bad of a shape to start with. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Lovely. And if I wanted to, I could go to a pasted strop and put just a little bit more on this. But honestly, this knife does not need it. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later.